Smart security-based fire alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of smart security-based fire alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox from Amit. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of smart security-based fire alarm system using MSP430 LunchBox. So let's get it started.
My name is Amit and I am from PE from NSIT Delhi, and I have made a project on MSP430. It is a smart security based fire alarm system using MSP430. So in this project we are using MSP430 G2553 as a main module, and we are designing an IR sensor. IR sensor consists of an op-amp which is based on 358N op-amp, and it consists of two LEDs. One is IR emitter and second one is photodiode, and the alert system is directed on the buzzer, and it can also be shown by the array of LEDs. So now I am giving the demonstration of this security system. For this demonstration we are using this CCS Code Compose Studio of Texas Instrumentation, and in this CCS it is written, the code is written, and we are uploading the code in this MSP. So by using this build project, we are uploading the code, and the code is uploaded. Now when there is any movement in near to this IR sensor, the buzzer will be, or the alert system will be activated. This security system has very vast application. It can be used in government institutions, it can be used in archaeological sites, and for the future it can also be interfaced with other modules such as Wi-Fi module. These Wi-Fi modules used to collect the data in a central database, and this central database can be used by the authorities such as police and ambulance for personal life in life and death situations. So that is all. That is my project, and my name is Amit, and my roll number is 2023 PEV3224. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.